See, we are on page number 137. Question number 17. It's written in Roman letters, students. Okay. I'm taking down that problem because we need to take it as given quantity. For a reaction 2A plus B giving rise to products, find the rate law from the following data. Concentration of A is given 0.3, 0.6, 0.6. Concentration of B is given 0.05 respectively, and rate of reaction is given mole per second. What they have told you to calculate? Find the rate law. Okay, find the rate law. How you are going to do here? See here, we have number 1. Upon let concentration of A1, we will select this value here. Concentration of A1 be 0.3, concentration of B1 be 0.05, and rate is equal to 0.15. Start. See here, we have rate is equal to K into concentration of A 1 raised to X, B1 raised to Y. Okay, then step number 2, concentration of A second number is 0.6. Concentration of B in the second case is 0.05, and here rate हे R1 घ्या आणि हे R2 घ्या, दॅट इज हे बघा दिलं इथं 0.3. I'll write it down. Rate is 0.30. Okay, now rate for second reaction will be K A2 raised to X, B2 raised to Y. What shall we take here? Take the ratio. Rate 1 by rate 2 is equal to K concentration of A1 raised to X, B1 raised to Y, divided by K concentration of A2 raised to X, B2 raised to Y. Are you okay here? Substitute the values. R1 दिलेला आहे. What is R1? In first case 0.15. What about R2? 0.30. K cancels for both. A1 0.3 divided by A2. What is A2? 0.6. B1. What about B1? 0.05. B2 0.05. This is raised to X, whole raised to X, whole raised to Y. Are you okay here? 0.15 divided by 0.3 is 1/2. 3/6 is half raised to X, and this is 1/1 raised to Y. I hope you agree. 2 will be reciprocate, students. It will be 2 raised to X, 1 raised to Y is 1. Therefore, X is equal to 2. Are you okay? 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to X, means X is equal to 1. Compare करा, powers compare करायची. Now take A3. Now what about rate 3 given? is step number 2 घेऊया. Rate 3 given 1.20. What about concentration of A3 from the chart? Look here, 0.6. And what about concentration of B3 from the chart? 0.2. Solve. Take the ratios again. Therefore, rate 3 divided by rate 1 is equal to concentration of A3 raised to X, A1 raised to X, B3 raised to Y, AB1 raised to Y. R3 गला 1.2. R1 किती दिले मुलांनो? 0.15 दिले. Okay, no problem. A3 is 0.6. What about A1? do it like this. A2 घ्या इथं. It will be better for you. I'll tell you the reason. हे R2 घ्या. That will be better. Rate 3 is 1.2, no? Rate R2 is how much here? R2 is 0.3. Intentionally, is equal to A3. A3 is 0.6 divided by A2 is 0.6 again raised to x. B3 0.2. B2 0.05 raised to y. कळतं का? स्टुडंट्स A1 वापरू नका. You may get more confused. You use A2. Tell me, what is this? This is 4 is equal to 1 raised to x. This is, if I'm not wrong, 4 raised to y. 5 4s are 20. Easy. So 2 square is equal to, we'll put here like this. 2 square is equal to 2 raised to 2y. Therefore, what do we get here? Students, direct घ्या तुम्ही. हे असं नाही घेतलं तरी चालतं. 4 is equal to 4 raised to y. Obviously, y is equal to 1. Therefore, order of reaction is what? Order of reaction, it is overall order x plus y, 1 plus 1, 2. Because we have determined x as 1, y as 1 again. Are you okay? Are you okay with this? Now, a rate is equal to K, rate constant, concentration of A raised to x, concentration of B raised to y. Take any rate. I'll take R1. K don't know. A1 is, इथं मी मुद्दाम लिहिते तुम्हाला कन्फ्यूज व्हायला नको. हे स्टेप नंबर 3. A1 is 0.3 raised to x, B1 is 0.05 raised to y. आता सांगा मला व्हॅल्यू. 0.3 is equal to K into 0.3 multiplied by 0.05. कारण x and y are 1 respectively. Therefore, K is equal to what? 0.3 divided by 0.3 into 0.05. Cancels. 0.05 म्हणजे 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So what is the value of K? It is obviously 20. That's it. Are you okay here? हे एक झालं. आता सॉल्व हा कॉन्सेप्ट शिकवतो तुम्हाला 1 by 1. सॉल्व. Question number 4. Problem number 1. In the first order reaction, the concentration of reactant decreases from 20 millimole dm cube to 8 millimole dm cube in 38 minutes. What is given? Initial concentration A0 is equal to how much? What about at time interval t is equal to 0? How much is it? It is 20 millimole per dm cube. Concentration after time interval t decreases from 2 to 8. So 8 is millimole per dm cube. Time interval, they have taken it as 38 minutes. This is the given data. To find the half life of the reaction, we have पहिला घ्या formula. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log concentration of A0 divided by concentration of AT. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303 divided by what is T? 38 minutes. विसरू नका, म्हणजे K तुम्हाला पर मिनिटच येणार. Log concentration of A0 is 20 and AT is 8. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303. Please pay attention here. 20 by 8 is how much? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 म्हणजे 2.5. Students, log of 2.5 तर तुम्हाला लॉगमधून घेता येतं. I think you may be knowing it also. डायरेक्ट घ्यायचं, फक्त log of 2.5, that is 0.3979. You can refer the log here. You get the value of K as, I'll tell you, I have calculated it. The value of K comes out to be 0.024. 0.024 हां वॉट पर मिनिट. कळतं आहे. हे एक पार्ट झालं. आता यूज वी हॅव टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू वॉट 0.693 अपॉन के. देअरफॉर टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू 0.693 के इज 0.024. एक्झॅक्ट आन्सर येते मुलांना 28.7 मिनिट. डोंट वरी ॲट ऑल. हे लॉग घेऊन करणं काय बाय हात का खेळ आहे. आणि यू नो यू विल सॉल्व इट बाय युझिंग कॅल्क्युलेटर. आय जस्ट प्रे यू यूज लॉग. हां नाव प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 2. हाफ लाईफ ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिॲक्शन इज 1.7 hours. टी हाफ 1.7 hours. ओके डन. हाऊ लॉंग विल इट टेक फॉर 20% ऑफ द रिॲक्टंट टू रिॲक्ट. म्हणजे लेफ्ट ओव्हर किती. इट इज रिॲक्ट व्हायला टाईम म्हणजे लेफ्ट किती 80. ओके 80% इज लेफ्ट. 20% हॅज ऑलरेडी गॉन. सो ए नॉट इज वॉट स्टुडंट्स 100. दॅट्स इट. ते पर्सेंट लिहायचं नसतं. हां नाव अगेन सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी. वी हॅव टू फाइंड काय 1 minute. टू फाइंड वॉट हाऊ लॉंग विल इट टेक टाइम इंटरवल. वी हॅव वॉट वी हॅव पहिला हाफ लाईफ दिलं आहे. सो यूज टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू 0.693 डिवायडेड बाय के. देअरफॉर के इज इक्वल टू 0.693 अपॉन टी रेज टू हाफ. 0.693 टी हाफ इज how much 1.7 hours. Students, the answer comes out to be, let me tell you, 0.407 हां पर आवर येतं. के आहे ना ते. हां नाव what do we get here? Next, how to calculate? K is equal to 2.303 upon T log concentration of A naught upon 80. घाला. Therefore, what is T? 2.303 upon K log concentration of A naught divided by 80. Come on. 2.303 divided by K 0.407 log concentration of A03 direct 100. 80 is 80. हां कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ 80 is 80. काय कळलं तर बघा. हां बरं 10/8 is ऑब्वियसली 5/4. 5/4 म्हणजे किती झालं 2.303 divided by 0.407. 10/8 is see here 5/4. 5/4 will be log 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. स्टुडंट्स याचं लॉग घेता येतं ना तेवढंच घ्या. बाकी काही करू नका. 2.303 divided by 0.407. log of 1.25 will be 0.125. 12 log is 0.09691 students. Okay 0.0 ह्याचं लॉग सांगते 9691 and when you solve you get the answer as 0.547 hours. आणि त्याने आन्सर मिनिटमध्ये दिलं. मिनिट कसं करायचं शाळा मुलांनो 547 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 60 करा. you'll get perfect answer and that is 32.9 minute. Are you okay students? Yes? Is it fine with you? Come on. Problem number 3. Easy. Same old story. इथं प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3 मध्ये ना मी काय करते स्टुडंट्स आपण हा घेऊया. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3 ॲक्टिवेशन एनर्जीशी रिलेटेड आहे म्हणून पहिला फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिॲक्शनचं सगळं रामायण आठवूया. दॅट इज प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 7. लुक हिअर सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी. गिवन द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिॲक्शन टेक्स 40 minutes. 40 minutes फॉर 30% डिकॉम्पोजिशन म्हणजे लेफ्ट ओव्हर किती 70% स्टुडंट्स. ओके Calculate the half life to find what? T half. Same old story. We have K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log concentration of A naught divided by AT. Okay. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303 divided by 40 log A naught is 100, ये 70 करता है. Come on. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303 divided by 40, 10/7 अंदाजे 1.74 are 28, 2 remains, 7 2s are 14, 6 remains, 7 8s are 56. पुढे जर इंटरेस्ट असेल तर घ्या. I don't mind at all. Okay. The log comes out to be log of 1. आता हे कसं घ्यायचं? हे इझी आहे स्टुडंट्स. तुम्हाला ना लॉग यायला पाहिजे. 40. हां, दिस इज 0 पॉईंट. कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इज 0. 1428चा लॉग बघा. 1428 लॉग इज 0.1549 आहे. ओके. 1549. ओके. When you solve it, you get the answer as exactly. डरो मत. फुल कॉन्फिडन्स. थांबा. के आले ना. पहिला तुम्हाला के विचारलं नाही आहे. देव आस्क्ड यू टी हाफ. पहिला के कॅल्क्युलेट तरी करा. के कम्स आउट टू बी, स्टुडंट्स, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के कम्स आउट टू बी 8.9 10⁻³ वॉट per minute. Now, what is T half? 0.693 upon K. 0.693 divided by 8.9 10⁻³ बरोबर आहे ना. डरो मत. बरोबर येतं आन्सर. आन्सर इज, आय टेल यू, इट इज एक्झॅक्टली 77.6 minutes. परफेक्ट येतं. तुम्ही फक्त करा ते प्रॅक्टिस. सी हाऊ विल यू गेट. आय होप सो विल गेट. ओके. हे 7 झालं. बरं, आय विल स्टॉप. I will send you the photos immediately after the video is uploaded, and we'll take up activation energy, and I'm going to start with another important topic, students, thermodynamics, but that will not be the for the test. ये है, इतना बैंड बजाने को बहुत है. Bye for today.